Right now, Bitcoin history is repeating, and will it once again play out exactly like it did in the bear market of 2018? Is there another major capitulation event happening right now anytime soon? I will be exactly talk about this on today's update video. As well, I will be discussing the Bitcoin dominance, the Bitcoin price action on the daily time frame, and of course the market structure, and of course much more on today's update video. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Yesterday we were very close by smashing it back above 400 likes. Can we maybe do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to slap up that like button right now, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. So like I discussed yesterday on the update video, we were talking about this very important level on the top side, trading around 19.9k, and I told everyone on the channel yesterday that we need to see a break above this level, 19.9k, to flip bullish on the 1 hour time frame, because otherwise we will be still confirm a lower high. And like you can see, we have confirmed the lower high, and if you did watch yesterday's video, you were very much aware that we were not flipping bullish on the imminent short term yet so far, until we were flipping above that 19.9k level. So far, we once again have been moving towards the downside, confirming that we are still seeing another lower high getting confirmed, and due to that fact, we're basically still trading in a 1 hour downtrend. If I really want to be analyzing the market, I still think that so far we have been trading in one of the most boring consolidation phases, and like I told you guys every single time on every update video I've been bringing out on the channel, I will be opening a big position on Bitcoin, either if we do break the top side of resistance to, for me, look at the long position, or I will be opening a big position if we break the lower side of support, for me to be opening a potential shorting position. So far, Bitcoin is still consolidating in the middle of the range, and for me it doesn't really matter if we're going to go up or down from this point. For me, what is very important is to see a break above that green box of support or above that red box of resistance. So far, no new developments, and we're still basically consolidating in this very boring phase in the market. Once looking at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we do know that Bitcoin did broke above the 138-day downtrend, where we basically got rejected from 5 times in a row, and the 6th time we retested it, we broke above it, and currently it looks to be that we're flipping this level into support. If we do really break below the very important downward sloping resistance line that right now is going to be flipping into support, it is definitely going to be signaling some more problems for Bitcoin. However, I do expect we're going to hold on towards it. If we don't, in this case, we probably will be expecting more downside to happen, because that is basically going to confirm a fake out on the market. But just like I told everyone out there on the channel, for me to really open up these big trades on the market, I am not going to be looking at this trend line. It is very good that we broke above it, but for me to be open up good trades, I either want to be seeing a break above this 90.9k to open a very good long position on the retest, or of course on this consolidation chart right here, I want to be seeing a clear direction getting called, and on that clear direction getting called, I will be opening my next big position on Bitcoin. And if we do zoom in on the daily time frame, we can currently see that yesterday we did officially had that successful retest of this level. So it is currently trading around 19.1k. If we see a candle close below $19,000, we basically confirm a fake out of the resistance that we broke above. So hopefully we can hold on towards this level, but if we don't, we could be up for more worse price action for Bitcoin right now. And honestly, if I do look purely at the market structure on the daily time frame, nothing has really flipped bullish yet so far, because yes, so far we can see that Bitcoin has been creating, of course, lower highs every single time. The daily time frame is confirming a lower high after lower high after lower high. And actually, this structure is really reminding me of something, because right now as well we are starting to see an upward sloping support line getting formed. So we're forming higher lows together with lower highs. So basically we're seeing the price action getting squeezed in. So I draw this downward sloping arrow right here, because we can see the price action is getting suppressed from the top side. We're forming lower highs together with higher lows, and we are currently seeing very boring consolidation, because right now we're just in the middle of a huge consolidation phase. And it really reminds me of something, because in the last bear market, if I go all the way back here towards 2018, we can also see that Bitcoin was creating a higher low structure, also a lower high structure, and basically from the point that we had to choose a direction, we broke down and we basically dumped all the way down here to 3,200 US dollars. So this is definitely very interesting to see, because currently we are having a very similar price action, right, and a price structure. We're seeing once again that Bitcoin is also forming lower highs. So yeah, this is definitely an interesting structure to look at. And honestly, if I do look at the structure right here on the 3-day time frame, we can currently see that we're currently still in the middle of this descending triangle, and actually it looks very similar towards the 2018 crash for Bitcoin. And you know what is very interesting to see is that, you know, when it did broke down, it actually did broke down around October, November, and that is pretty interesting. And right now we're also in October and we're closing in towards November. And actually, if you're going to look at the apex right here, you can see it on the bottom side of the screen. It is around the beginning of October. And look at the last time around, the apex of the last descending triangle in the bear market of 2018 was also somewhere mid-November. So this is actually pretty interesting to see. Last time around, we had the big breakdown in November, not in October. Will it once again happen for Bitcoin this time around again? So I actually don't know what is exactly going to be happening from that point onwards, but definitely I am worried about Bitcoin. And if we do see a break below the important horizontal box of support, we could be potentially see the history repeat all over again, and maybe just like 2018 see a major crash towards the downside for Bitcoin. So I truly hope it doesn't going to be happening. If it does happen, I will be the one that's going to be maximum benefit from the price action going towards the downside, because yes, once Bitcoin is going to collapse, it will allow me to be buying more cheap Bitcoin. And if it's really going to be happening, I will be going with a short position once we do break below the horizontal box right here. So this is my trading strategy right now here. And actually, if you do want to be trading Bitcoin on this exact breakdown, make sure to already prepare yourself with an insane account here on BitGet. BitGet allows you to trade in the US, in the UK, basically all over the world without using a VPN. Also, they allow you to withdraw 30 Bitcoins on a daily basis without KYC. And on top of that, they have a crazy deposit bonuses up to 20,000 US dollars. So make sure to check it out right now in the link in the description if you are interested in trading such a significant breakout or breakdown that could occur on Bitcoin. And I mean, I am not saying that history has to repeat right now for Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin could also maybe start to see a bullish breakout and that we basically turn the markets towards the upside once again. It could also definitely happen. But be aware, we're currently still in the middle of the recession, so anything actually could happen from this point onwards. And I mean, I am prepared for everything. If the market goes up or down, I don't care. I am still buying more Bitcoin either way. Then also an important chart I need to discuss with you guys out on the channel right now is the Bitcoin dominance. And once looking at the Bitcoin dominance and once basically also looking at that stage and that descending triangle, right? Last time around, in the bear market, the Bitcoin dominance banked significantly back towards the upside because altcoins were basically overhyped and they were starting to bleed out in the bear market. However, this time around, we can see that the Bitcoin dominance is only 15% away from a new all-time low. So the Bitcoin dominance is still extremely low, and I need to see the Bitcoin dominance come back up again before I can start to say, okay, right now we could be start to see a new bull run or whatsoever, right? So Bitcoin dominance still extremely low, and this is really giving me that bear market vibe here, because I honestly don't see a new bull market getting started with the Bitcoin dominance being so low. And on top of that, I honestly think it's going to be healthy to see the Bitcoin dominance rise at least back towards 50 to 55% here. So let's see what is going to be playing out right now. But I mean, I am prepared for everything. If the market goes down, I'm going to be buying more. If the market goes up, I've already got my stash ready. So yes, make sure that you are going to be having your strategy set out as well. I mean, if I honestly look at the market structure right now on the daily time frame, things are not looking great. And I mean, we have not been able to form a higher high for an approximately 143 days. And that has been so far confirmed a very bearish trend in the market. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now if you want to be staying up to date on the exact market structure we've been analyzing every single day. And I have been warning you guys for this exact movement towards the downside for quite a while already. And right now, we are coming towards an ending stage. We're coming towards a closing stage where Bitcoin probably is going to create a big move. If we are looking at the Bollinger Bands, we can just see it is going to be imminent anytime soon once we are going to be probably see the volatility really pick up. And I mean, I want everyone out there on the channel who's watching these videos to be prepared. And I mean, I'm prepared to go to both directions, but if I look at the trend, it is honestly more likely to see a break towards the downside. But if it's going to go up, I don't care, because my strategy remains to be the same in the bear market, and that is buy more Bitcoin on a daily basis. So I have got a very good average buying price. So this was it for me on today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to slap up that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel if you do like the daily content, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.